Hi, today we will look into how to apply this Arambh Yog trick for numbers that have got more than two digits in it. For the numbers that have got only two digits, I have explained in my another video, you can check it. In this video, I have again given the trick of the two digits, but that is just to see how we can use it for the rest of the numbers. But to clearly understand the trick, you can visit the link given in the description and you will know the trick in detail. So the condition for this is ones place of the digits should be same and the digits before the ones place should add up to a power of 10. Here I have taken two such numbers. While applying the trick, what we have seen, when the two numbers before the one digits have added up to 10 here, and to give the first half of the result, we have just multiplied 4 with 6. Then we have added 7 to that, right? 4 into 6 is 24. And at which position have we added the 7 is in the ones place, because when we add up these two numbers, we have got 10 and it has got only 1 0. That is why while adding this 7 in the ones place, we have added here in the first place of the number, means ones place. So what we have done, we have added 7 in this ones place and that part we have put in to be the first part of the result here, right? 31. So we have kept 31 as the first part of the result and the second part of the result is 7 square, that is 49. This is how we did it. But to apply this trick for more than two digits, we are not going to add 7 in this ones place. But how to do that? Let us see now. Here I have taken another number 914 into 94. Even this has met the condition. 4 in ones place, same. 91 plus 9 is 100, which is again a power of 10. So both the conditions were met. But the point is, after multiplying these two numbers, whether we are going to add 4 in the ones place or not, that is what we have to consider while putting down the result. Now look at this. When we add 91 and 9, it is 100, means here we have got two zeros. So after multiplying 91 with 9, it is 819. This is the result of multiplication with 91 by 9. While adding the 4 here, we are not going to add it in the ones place because we have got two zeros here. What we have to do is we have to add 4 in this second place, considering from the right, means under 1 we will add 4 to this 1. Why? Because after adding these two, means the digits before the ones place, we have got 100. That is why we are considering the second place starting from the right to add this 4. So if we add it, it is 859. This will give the first part of our result, 859. And the second part of the result is same, that is the square of ones digit we have to write down. Here the square of 4 is 16. This would be the result. Let us look at another example to understand the trick. Say here I have taken 9896 into 116. Units digit same. If we add these two, the numbers before the unit digits, it is 1000 here. Yes. So 989 plus 11. That's what we are doing, right? It is 1000. Here we have got three zeros. That is why after multiplying these two parts, again these two numbers we will multiply to give the first part of the result, right? After multiplying these two, while adding the 6, what we have to do is we have to consider the third digit from right. Let us do it now. So 989 into 11, I have put down the result here, 10879. So while adding this 6, what we have to do, we have to add it this third position from right. So we are keeping down at the third position and after addition it is 11479. So this would be the first part of our answer, that is 11479. And the second part of the answer is the square of the ones place, that is 36. In this way we can give the result. So you can try one number now. Let us say 609 into 409. Try it yourselves to get the answer. Pause and try it. If you don't get the answer, see, I am giving the result now. So here 9 and 9 same ones place digit. 60 plus 40 is 100, which has got two zeros. We have to keep that in mind. What it happens, 60 into 40 is 2400. So when we add this, we have got two zeros. That is why we have to add 9 at the second place starting from the right of 2400. Means if we add 9 there, what would be the answer? 2490. 2490 should follow with square of 9. 249081 is the answer here. Just give it try. Practice this. It will help you to write the answer very fastly.